Alright, here we go, up in the attic. I talked to the auto tech and he said there was a room built around this thing. Oh. Hold on, let me get you on a tripod. Alright, tripod. It is. Thermostats are calling. Oh, it looks to be. I got ductwork over there, way back over there. So I'm thinking right there. I just gotta get up here. Oh, got a bunch of this attic kit insulation. Only got like I think I got a meter. Do I have a screwdriver? No, I don't think so. Hold on. Oh, attics. I love them. All right, let's mosey our way back here. Solid wood. Oh, man. At least it's not terrible hot yet. Set you in the fucking snow. Oh boy. Man, if you're gonna have me come work on crap, you better make sure it's accessible. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this way's not working. It's wet. Great. Dude, they got a humidifier up here. Where is the zone panel? Wires? No, really? Where's the zone panel? Where's the zone panel? There is stuff buried in here. There's a can light I'm about to step on. Let's see. Nope. Well. Oh, geez. You stay right there. Dude, I got a water filter system mounted where the coil is. Dude. She got an ECM blower. Okay, where's... We're gonna bypass this for a minute. So, orange and green I gotta tie together. So I took the wet switch out of it. Wanted to see if that fan would start. There's a lot of water in there. So the condenser just started. What size is this? 3 ton. It's a 37. Oh, they had no filter. Oh. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it looks like a stain on that coil. You can see it right there up to the right. Running no filter. Alright, so what is this? 208, 230, what refrigerant? What refrigerant? Oh, it's a 2003. Refrigerant R22. Oh no. Oh no, R22. Alright, let's get downstairs and figure out which unit is which. Yeah, I think it's just a big American Standard sitting back here. Yeah. Huh, that's strange. She looks like she's sweating.
popping off there.
Is even recording? Yeah. Oh, let's see. Yeah, whatever. Just a day later. Basic view, measure, refrigeration. Make sure I got my Bluetooth on, and I do. Oh, I think it's connecting to this phone. Hold on. Went down there. I had to stop the video because I needed to get to the gauge on my phone for the testo probes. But what I'll do is I'll put some pictures up of there, the pressures. It's got good pressures. So let me work my way back here. Dude. You stay there. Oh boy. I think she might have a plug drain. I'm hoping that's what it is. But then we got it. Yeah, which one's which? Drain pan is the bottom one, and other drain's the top. You're dripping water already, you know? Let's see. Oh man. How are you supposed to flush that? I won't even be able to tell if there's any, well, maybe. Yeah, she's plugged. That's what's going on. See back there? It won't focus. Well, it's not draining. Let's put it that way. I got no way to get into this thing. And it's 1/2 inch. I don't have any 1/2 inch on the truck. Oh, let me see if I can blow up this drain with something. Alright, so blew up this line. This trap was plugged. That's where the water was coming from. It's not the refrigeration system. Dude, I'm gonna have to redo this crap. This is super stupid. I don't even want to be involved in this. I got a humidifier up here, no drain pan. Boy, let me get this thing back together. Get the pan cleaned out. So I'm not going to videotape all that crap because I don't have time. And we will get the show back on the road here. It's not even hooked up. I don't know what it is. Mini reverse osmosis. Yeah, trying to get into that attic, that's why I can't stand that house. Everything is so, I mean, it's a beautiful house, don't get me wrong, but it's so chopped up. I mean, it's right on the river. It's a beautiful house, but you know, it was a smaller house and then they added on to it, and yeah, it's one of those. Made it like huge. But they didn't take any consideration of the heating and cooling. And if that coil or that air handler goes bad, you're ripping the ceiling out to get that thing out of there. That sucks. So that's what I was hoping that wasn't going to happen, which it's a good thing it didn't. But I got the tray cleaned out, the wet switch dried out, everything back in. But I told her, I'm like, hey, I'm gonna come back and change that drain out. I'm gonna put an easy trap in with an alarm on that one too, so we don't get to the point of overflowing to the pan. But I'm gonna leave that wet switch in the situation, but I'm actually going to kind of rework it. It looks like a reverse osmosis system up there, but it seems like it's disconnected. I'm gonna put the drain back for it, so in case they decide to use it, they can. But I'm gonna rework that to an easy trap with a trap alarm on top of it, so we don't get to the point of overflowing into the pan. We always have the chance of that pan leaking, so I don't want to get it that far. So being redundant with the safeties is not a bad thing. So I mean, hopefully I get video of that, but that's just, it's a pain. It's a super pain. You gotta get up the stairs, go up an 8-foot ladder, into the attic, across, into all that attic cat snow stuff, get into that little area and start working on the thing. I don't even know how they got that thing up there. They just jammed it up there. I mean, you could not get that up the hatch. There's no way. I don't know how they got it up there. So, you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, the Amazon wish list for my son that's going through cancer. He's doing good. He's home. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.